Hola. My name is DJ Hummel and I'm from Michigan. This is my 10th year and 12th visit. I came with my family. They were members for RCI for a while and they loved it here, so they invited me to come. I'd have to say the reason I always come back is the staff. They are the best. They treat you like your family. When you come in first day, welcome home, welcome home, welcome home, always. It's very, very it's a huge family. Every year, everybody asks me why I hang out with everybody here. I'm like, because they're my great friends. So I don't need to. I hang out with a lot of the staff. Last year we went on a whale watching tour and there was probably 12 whales around us jumping full blown out of the water. It was one of the most amazing things I've ever seen. And you get to see the arch, go scuba diving. It's a very cool trip, very cool. Oh, it's great. It's great. Like I said, you put your mask on. Everything that I've seen, everything is sanitary. Like I said, I hang out with people that work here. I watch them go through protocol where they have to wash in between their nails, in between their fingers, everything very vigorously, many times a day. So I feel like it's a very safe environment. You don't have to worry about any of the things that are going on in the world now. I feel absolutely safe. All the staff wears a mask. Like I said, the stuff that I've seen them go through, the bartenders and the waitresses, but they have to wash to their elbows. I mean, it's super sterile. They really, really are trying to keep everybody's best health in mind. Where do I begin? The pool bar, the beach bar, the music, the activities. They just were outside painting Christmas stuff for the kids. I mean, there's really not a whole lot that, I wouldn't recommend. Everything here is great. The kids club is right outside my door. There's 30 kids there all the time. They love it. And to all my friends, all my canales at Solaris, I love you. Thank you. Like I said, to all my friends here, from the moment you walk in the door, the staff in every single way, the waitresses, the bartenders, the house cleaning, everything is absolutely fantastic, and I would recommend coming to Royal Solaris to anyone. I always do. I always have for 12 years. 10 years, but 12 times.